Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Telegram two-step verification and how to fix forgotten password error. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try to reset your password by clicking on Forgot Password on the login screen to send a recovery code. However, if that is not working, I have the best all-in-one solution. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using. And this is where you want to simply go to the search bar and simply go ahead and search for Telegram support. Once you search for it, tap on the first link, and this is going to be the page that is going to be welcoming you. All you need to do is describe your problem on the first field, enter your full legal name on the second, your email on the third, and your phone number on the fourth, and their support team is going to be in contact with you either through your number or your email, and it's going to make it so much easier. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.